if there are 10 chocolates, and in right hand if there are 20 chocolates. Then if I ask you how many will be there altogether, if I ask you how many will be there altogether, what will you do? What process will you do? I want that answer. What process will you do to get the answer or to get the together number? Please respond to the chat box, dear children. I said, if I ask you how many will be altogether there, that time what process you will be doing? I have 10 chocolates in left hand and I have 20 chocolates in right hand. So how many will be there altogether and what process you will be following to get the number, to get the answer? Okay, Sanskruti said addition. That's good. Arya also said addition. Sudiksha said addition. Mahek said addition. That's great, children. You have already responded through the chat box. Addition. Aradhya also said addition. That's good. Very nice. Everybody very nice. Kaustubh said addition the numbers, or you will add the numbers. Excellent, children. Okay. So you will be adding the numbers. Whenever we say that all together or together, that time we will be adding the numbers, right? So today we are going to learn about the addition. Today what we are learning regarding the addition. What addition meaning? What is the addition? How do we add the numbers? And what is the addition process there? All these things we'll be learning throughout this lesson. So everybody is ready to go ahead? If yes, please type A. If yes, please type A. A. If you're ready to go ahead, then please type A in the chat box. I want A. Okay, so everybody is ready. So let's proceed, children. Let's go ahead. Good, good, good. That's great. So I'm coming to you, everyone. I'm coming to you. Okay, so I hope my screen is visible to all of you. Yes. So dear children, I would like to ask you one more question. One more question. What is, I said you that we are learning about addition, right? But what is the meaning of addition? Who will be telling? What addition meaning? What is the addition exactly? Think about it first of all. Think about yourself. Think it properly. Think what addition means. Addition का मतलब क्या होता है? किसे कहते हैं addition? What is the meaning of addition exactly? Can you please respond through the chat box? What is the meaning of addition exactly? Yes. What is the meaning of addition? You have given plus symbol there. Plus symbol. Plus symbol doesn't mean addition. It's the symbol of addition. But I said that what is the meaning of addition? I want meaning. Think, सोचो जरा कि meaning क्या होता है. Okay, you're answering. Adding means we have to add number. Good, no problem. Adding unit to unit. Tanishka said good. Good, good, good. Okay. Very nice, children. To add two numbers to get altogether answer. Okay, Anush. Very nice, beta. Very good. Exactly. So let's see what is the meaning of addition exactly. Okay. Now don't answer through the chat box. Whenever I'll be asking you, that time you'll be answering. So addition without carrying over. Okay, so I ask you, what is the meaning of addition? So see that, what is the meaning of addition exactly? It's a request for all of you, all dear children, please listen it very carefully. Sit straight, nobody will be sleeping, nobody will bend. Your position should be straight, study position till end of the lecture. Listen very carefully, watch very carefully what the teacher is teaching here. Okay, because this is learning time and we must have to pay towards a study, pay attention towards the study. So I ask you a question, what is the meaning of addition, right? And see, addition means putting the things together, putting the things together. This is called addition, or process of calculating the total of two or more numbers. Process of calculating the total of two or more numbers. See, I asked you at the initial stage that if I have a 10 chocolates in left hand and 20 chocolates in right hands, then how will be there altogether? What did I do, or what did you do? You counted them together. You kept 10 chocolates and 20 chocolates all together. You kept 10 and 20 chocolates all together and then you counted it. Then you counted it, right? That means counting things together. Counting things together, it is called addition, right? Calculating things together, it is called addition. Or total of the things, it is called addition. Getting my point, children? What is the meaning of addition? Counting numbers or things all together. In short, सारी चीजों को एक साथ में मिलाकर काउंट करना, सारी चीजों को एक साथ में मिलाकर काउंट करना, it is called addition. Yes, understood what is the meaning of addition, children? Addition means putting the things together, counting the things together, or the process of calculating things together. This is called addition, right? Understood what is the meaning of addition, children? Yes, anybody can respond through the chat box. What is the meaning of addition now? Please respond to the chat box. I'm waiting for you. Come on, everyone. What is the meaning of addition? I said you that definition also. What is the definition of addition and what is meaning of addition? I told you just few minutes before. So I want answer to the chat box. What is the meaning of addition now? Respond everyone. Respond everyone. Don't chat yes, why. It is not asked to all of you. Very nice. Rudra said, putting the things together. Very nice, Rudra Saroj. Excellent, beta. Shriya said, putting the thing together. Shriya, beta, answer properly. D वहां पे नहीं लिखना है. Putting the things. How do we write the THE, not D? Calculate in together. Mehak said, very nice. Sudiksha, putting things together. Good. Arya said, calculating the things together. Very nice, Arya. Ananya, putting the things together. Good, good, good. Very nice. Everybody, I want answer from every child. Addition, the things together. Good. Excellent. Very nice, children. So that means you have understood that what is the exact meaning of addition, right? I'm repeating once again so that you will not forget it. Addition means putting the things together. This is the one definition. In another way, you can say that calculating things or calculating numbers altogether, right? Calculating things or calculating numbers altogether, or the process of counting things together. The process of calculating things together or the process of counting things together, all these are the definitions of addition. So I hope you all have understood that what is the definition or what is the addition means exactly. Yes, understood what is the definition or what is the meaning of addition? If yes, then please type Y in the chat box. If yes, then please type Y in the chat box. Good. Excellent. Okay. You have answered. You understood that addition. What is the definition of addition, right? Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. So let's proceed further, children. Let's proceed further. Okay. So whatever we have learned, in previous lectures, right? In previous lecture, you may have seen such kinds of examples regarding the addition, right? You have seen from junior, senior, first, second standard, you have seen such kinds of examples, right? So horizontal arrangement of addition. This is called the horizontal arrangement of addition, children. Okay, when the addition sums have written this way, this is called the horizontal way of addition. Okay, so please answer through the chat box. What will be the answer of this first sum? Yes, this first sum. What will be the answer of this first sum? Please answer through the chat box, children. 1 plus 1. What will be the answer? These kinds of sum you have already solved in the junior, senior, KG, in first standard, in second standard. So what is the answer of this? 1 plus 1. Come on, everyone. Teacher Maya, it's a request. Please see that the children are answering properly. 1 plus 1. What is the answer of it? Let me check. You all have answering properly. 1 plus 1. What is the answer, children? Okay, 1 plus 1, 2. 2. Wow, very nice. Okay, now, excellent, children. 1 plus 1 answer is 2. Now, this 5 plus 1. Answer it. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. You have solved such kinds of sums. 5 plus 1. Answer through the chat box, everyone. 5 plus 1. Okay. Now 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. 6. That's great. Kaustub, Tanishka, Tanishk, Aryan, Sanskruti, Ovia, Vihan. Very nice, children. You are very active students. You all are very active students. Very nice. Awesome, children. Good, good, good. Excellent. Now, okay, so this is called when the question addition sums have written this way. जब इस तरह से addition sums लिखे होंगे, so this is called the horizontal arrangement of addition. This is the horizontal arrangement. Okay, children. Now let's see. Let's proceed further. Now, this is also it is given. Now this is another type of addition, and this is called the vertical arrangement of addition. This is called vertical arrangement of addition, right? So please answer through the chat box. 2 plus 5. 2, 2 plus 5. What is the addition? 2 plus 5. Answer through the chat box, everyone. 2 plus 5. Addition means counting things together. Process of calculating things together. Putting things together. This is called addition, right? So give the answer through the chat box. Already the sums are given there, right? It is already given. See, this is 2 number. 2 plus 5. 2 dolls are given there. Then down plus 5. 5 dolls are given there. So what is the addition meaning? Means addition means counting things together. I have already said to you. Count all these things together. Count all those things together. 2 plus 5. Answer through the chat box. Let me check whatever answer you have given, children. Let me check what is the answer you have given. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. Aradhya beta, count dolls properly. Aradhya, you have written 8, but it is wrong answer beta. Please be very carefully. Manjiri, you have also given wrong answer. 2 plus 5. There are two dolls were given at the top and at the below. 5 dolls are given. So 2 plus 5, the answer is 7. 2 plus 5, the answer is 7. Yes. Very nice. Excellent, everyone. So those have given wrong answer, please clear yourself. See, counting things together, that is addition. I already said that. Whenever you are solving the sums, suppose you want to solve this sum we are solving now, this sum. Okay. So 2 plus 5. Counting things together. If in one side, in one hand you have 2 dolls, and in another hand you have 5 dolls, then how many will be there all together? So you have to count them together. You have to count them together. For example, now these 2 dolls and below 5 dolls, you have to count them together. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many dolls will be there? 2 plus 5. The answer is 7. You have to count them together. You have to count them together, dear children. So this is why the 2 plus 5, the answer of this sum is 7. Got it? Getting my point, children? Okay, now another sum I am giving you to solve. You will be solving it. Now, which sum you'll be solving? Come on, this. Solve this now. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. This sum. Count the things properly, children. Don't give the answer hurriedly. Count them properly. 2 plus 4. Already things are given there. Dolls are given there. You have to just count them together. सारे चीजों को साथ में मिलाकर आपको काउंट करना है. 2 plus 4. Answer through the chat box, children. 2 plus 4. Count all the dolls all together. Count all the dolls all together. Come on, everyone. 2 plus 4. So, I hope counting the dolls, it's very simple thing. See how you'll be counting it. 2 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to count the things all together. So 2 plus 4, the answer is 6. 2 plus 4, the answer is 6. Let me check how many children have given correct answer. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. Wow. Very nice. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. Very nice. Very nice. Everybody has given correct answer. Very nice, children. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Sanskruti, everyone. Rajveer, Tanishka, Arya, Ishika, Tanishka, Swaroop. Swaroop, why have you written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, beta? Swaroop, Jagtap, Ishika also has written the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whatever the answer is being asked, children, you are supposed to. Okay, so you have written this way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have counted the dolls. Okay, that's good. No problem. Very nice. Excellent. Please clap for yourself. All of you, clap for yourself. Everybody, you all are very clever children. Clap for yourself. Come on, everyone. अपने आप के लिए तालियां बजाओ. You all are really awesome children. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. Clap for yourself, everyone. Come on. Applause yourself. Very nice. Very nice. Good. 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 Now let's proceed further. Good. 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 Very nice. Now moving further, dear children. Moving further. Okay. So this is the. I said that this is the vertical arrangement of addition. This is called the vertical arrangement of addition, right? And just I shown you, this is called the horizontal arrangement of addition. This is the horizontal arrangement of addition. So both kinds of sums can be asked to you, vertical arrangement or horizontal arrangement. So you're supposed to answer properly there. You have to just count the things all together. You can draw the lines to count the things first of all, and then you can proceed. Okay. For example, dear children, okay, don't answer through the chat box now, children. For example, suppose I ask you, 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7. You have to solve this sum. How you'll be solving this sum? Come on. कैसे solve करेंगे आप? आपको भी यहाँ पे you have to add these two numbers. You have to count the things together. So what will you do? See, very nice. You all are very clever. Good. Very nice. So first number is 6. So you have to draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 7. Please don't answer to the chat box, children. Abhi answer mat karo. First of all, understand the concept, and then you will can answer. So these are the 6 together. ये सारे सबको क्या करने हैं? एक साथ में काउंट करने हैं. You have to count all the lines all together. Okay, count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many lines are there all together? There are 13 lines altogether. There are 13 lines. So this way you will be getting answer 13. Getting my point? Clear, everyone? Clear? Understood what did I say? Understood what did I say, children? Good. So let's proceed further now. Good. Now, we just learned that what is horizontal arrangement, what is vertical arrangement, or how to add 1-digit numbers or how to add 2-digit numbers, right? And you are also aware that you have learned already in standard first, standard second, how to add the numbers, right? Now I'll be asking you, solve this sum. 32 plus 53. Solve this sum. Everyone, 32 plus 53. You have a notebook, pencil, eraser. Note it down in your notebook and please answer through the chat box. 32 plus 53. Now this is 2-digit number addition. This is now 2-digit number addition. 2-digit number addition. Everyone, solve this sum. I said this sum, children. 32 plus 53. 32 plus 53. Solve this sum. 32 plus 53. Everyone, note it down in your notebook. Note it down in your notebook and try to give the answer through the chat box, dear children. 32 plus 53. 32 plus 53. I hope you all have written the sum in your notebook. It will not take more time to write the sum on your notebook. So let me check how many you have given answer or how many you have solved the sum. 32 plus 53. 32 plus 53. Let me check the answer. 32 plus 53. Ovia has written answer 85. Very nice. Rajveer, Ayush, Tanishk, Prutha. Very nice. Rajveer, 85. Very nice. 32 plus 53, 85, 85, 85. Rudra, it is not 86 beta. The answer is 85. 32 plus 53, answer is 85. Rudra has written wrong answer. Rudra beta, it's 85 answer. Very nice, everyone. Good. Rudra said galti se hua. It's okay, no problem. So I want answer from every child. Everyone, did you solve, everyone? 32 plus 53, did you solve? Yes or no? Did you solve yourself? Did you solve yourself? Please type Y if you have solved yourself. Honestly tell me, honestly. Honestly tell me, if you have solved yourself, please type Y. Very nice. Please type Y if you have solved yourself. Okay. Very nice. Everybody have solved themselves. Great, great. Very nice, children. So let's see, children, how to solve it. So 32 plus 55, to solve this sum, we'll be starting while adding the numbers or while solving the addition sums. That time we are supposed to start from the right side or from the unit place. See, this is the unit place. This is tens place. Okay. So whenever we are solving any sum, whether it is addition of 2-digit numbers, addition of 3-digit numbers, addition of 4-digit numbers, or addition of 5-digit numbers, whenever or however, whichever digits are there, you have to start from the unit place or from the right side. Okay, so which is the unit place, which is the first number? It's 2, right? This is 2, so you have to draw 2 lines. What is the below number? 3, so you have to draw 3 lines, 1 2 3. Okay, and then you have to count them together. You have to count them together. For example, 1 2 3 4 5. Write 5 as it is down. Getting my point, children? Okay, so we have finished work with unit place. Which is the place now? Which is the place remain? It is tens place. Next place is tens place, right? So which is the first number of tens place? 3. Okay, so draw 3 lines. 1 2 3. Which is the below number of 3? It's 5. Draw 1 2 3 4 5. Now count these lines together. Count these lines together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Right? So write 8 as it is down. So what is the answer we have got? 32 plus 53. 32 plus 53, we have got answer 85. So that's why you have already solved it, but I told you that how you'll be solving it. Okay, some children are there, those may have not understood that, or they have forgotten how to add the numbers, because it is 2 gap there, since 5 months gap is there, right? You were in 2nd standard, now you're in 3rd standard. There is a gap of study of 5 months, right? So that's why I have again told you that how to add the 2-digit numbers, right? I hope you all have understood that how to write or how to add 2-digit numbers. Yes, everybody have understood how to add 2-digit numbers? Please respond through the chat box, children. Please respond through the chat box. How do you understood how to add 2-digit numbers? Okay, Disha, Nishant, Tanishka, Shivam, Vihan, Ananya. Very nice. Okay, good. Jia, Mehek, Shivam, Aradhya. Very nice, children. You all have understood that how to add 2-digit numbers. Good. Now we'll be proceeding for 3-digit numbers. Okay, everybody is ready? Everybody is ready to go ahead? Please answer. Everybody is ready to go ahead? If you are ready, then please type B, capital B. Please type B. I said B. I want B. Please type B if you all are ready to go ahead. B. B. I want answer B. Very nice. Okay, good. Everyone, I want answer from every child. Very nice. So that means it tells that you are attentive here. You're solving the sums, right? Very nice. Disha said, I like maths. Very nice, Disha. I also like maths very, very much. Very good, very good, very good. So let's proceed. Everybody is ready to go ahead. So proceeding further, I would like to show you one video. Okay, I would like to show you one video which is completely based on the addition. Just a minute, children. I'll be showing you video very shortly. Just a minute, just a minute. Okay, so everybody is ready to watch the video. That's great, children. That's good. So let's proceed. Let's watch the video, which is completely based on the addition. So it's a request to all my dear children, whenever you're watching the video, that time you're supposed to watch it very carefully. Just a minute, children. Okay, so it's a request for all of you. Please watch and listen the video very carefully. Please watch it very carefully, children.
Today, let us revise the addition concept and its properties with Miss Mary. Good morning, students. Let us revise the concept of addition first. What do we mean by addition? Addition is the process whereby we put objects together. Let us see how. There are 25 long books and 32 small books on the table. How many books are there in all? Let us add 25 and 32 to find the total number of books. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Thus, the sum of 25 and 32 is 57. There are 57 books in all on the table. Do you know the terms used for the numbers in an addition? Yes, the numbers that we add are called addends, and the total we get after adding the numbers is called sum. In the example just solved, 25 and 32 are addends, and 57 is the sum. Remember, the words in all, altogether, total, sum imply addition. Now, let us revise the addition properties. There are 3 addition properties. They are 1. Zero property of addition, 2. Odd order property of addition. 3. Grouping property of addition. 0 property of addition. Let us take the numbers 315 and 0. If we add 315 to 0, we get the sum 315. And even if we add 0 to 315, we get the sum 315. This tells us that the sum of 0 and any number is the number itself. Order property of addition. Let us take the numbers 182 and 316. When we add 182 and 316, we get the sum 498. Now, let us change the order of addends. Let us add 316 and 182. Again, we get the sum 498. Hence, 182 plus 316 is equal to 316 plus 182. Thus, we know that changing the order of the addends does not change the sum. We can say that addition is commutative. Grouping property of addition. Look at the numbers 40, 50 and 20. Let us add the numbers by putting two numbers in a bracket. 40 plus 50 in bracket plus 20. Remember, always do the computation in the brackets first. So, 40 plus 50 is equal to 90. Now, we add 20 to 90 and get the sum 110. Now, let us change the addends in the brackets and add them. Therefore, we have 40 plus 50 plus 20 in bracket. So, 40 plus 70 is equal to 110. Thus, we come to know that 3 or more numbers can be added by putting them into groups placed in brackets. Changing the grouping of the addends does not change the sum. You must have definitely enjoyed revising the addition concept and properties.
Okay, so dear children, you must have watched the video very carefully. Did you watch it very carefully, children? Did you watch it very carefully? Did you watch it very carefully? Did you understand the video? Very nice, Sudiksha. I also like the maths very much. Good. Very nice. You watched it very carefully. Did you understand? आपने जो देखा आपको समझ में आया? Did you understand? Please answer to the chat box. Okay, dear children, thank you very much. So this is the way, children, we have come to the end of the lecture today. But tomorrow we'll be meeting on the same time. Till that time, take care of yourself, stay home and stay safe. It is time to say goodbye now. Okay, tomorrow on the same time, same class, we'll be proceeding further. Tomorrow we'll be learning how to add 3-digit numbers. Bye bye everyone. Please take care. Bye. Thank you very much. Bye bye.